Here is a situation you might run into if your design was to start way over here on the left side of the hoop. So to simulate this, I knew that if I picked up some letters and then touch the needle and thread to go to the embroidery side, if I have not threaded my needle yet, you notice where the needle threader is. It is hitting the hoop. So how do we fix that without taking everything off? All you need to do is actually go into the hoop option, and these first three items kind of have a P on them, and P is for park. So the top one would park it in the center of the hoop, which would be ideal for actually using the needle threader, and then once you push start, it'll come back to the first stitch it's supposed to take. Park here would push it so the hoop is back there and it moves the needle to the lower part of the hoop, and then this one would actually park the whole entire embroidery module off to the side, and it will require that I take the hoop off. But watch this, let's just choose that top one, and then it moves here. I can use my needle threader, no problem, and then as soon as I push start, it will move to the first stitch. So if you ever run into your needle threader hitting the hoop, all you need to do is go into the hoop options and pick park the hoop in the center.